On a freezing December night in 1899, a blizzard swallowed the streets of Old Quebec City. A young woman waited. Her fiancé was meant to arrive by sleigh before Christmas ended. He never did. They said he was lost in the storm. But every year after, on December 27th, locals reported something impossible. A silent horse-drawn sleigh cutting through falling snow near the old city gates, with no driver and no sound. They say it's him, still racing through the blizzard, trying to keep the promise he never got to fulfill. Like and subscribe and join us on the Infinite Spotlight channel. And a happy Merry Christmas to everyone.